Yeah, man, I hear Ramona talk. I mean, I represent Faye. Likkle Wizzies.
Yeah, patch of this, you know. Big CD man from long time. Shout out to the Likkle Wizzies.
Hi, this is Tough Records. I'm just give a big shout out and big up to Likkle Wizzies on YouTube.
Yo, big up Likkle Wizzies, the Wisdom Crew.
Make sure to follow Likkle Wizzies.
Pre out the man them content. And you know you can follow me on Instagram, Ramona1. You don't know a thing go.
Them bad, you know. So take a step and make them know what I go on. You hear what me I say?
Just like the channel, subscribe to the channel.
Everybody just go and check and subscribe. You see it? Boop.
Hey guys, may I have a moment out of the time? Matter of fact, I'm gonna take a rain check.
What?
So would you mind telling us your name?
Tiana.
Beyond Lee.
My name is Arashina on Instagram. I am Mr. So you know the thing good. Yeah.
My name is Olivia.
Tiffany.
I'm Carlian.
I'm Amisha.
Yes, I'm big up Likkle Wizzies. Them see you. La 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 la.
What goes in hard and dry?
And comes out soft and wet.
What goes in hard and dry and comes out soft and wet.
Wait, so we're going hard.
Hard, yeah. And comes out soft and wet.
Give up.
Soft and wet.
None.
I want to get them a question from you.
What goes in hard and dry and comes out soft and wet?
What goes in hard and dry? Soft and wet.
What TV can't think for? Rice?
And not so going hard and dry. Oh,
True.
Close.
One thing, you know. What TV can't think for?
no, I'm not sure. Just like this. You know, so that kind of little
Hard
bit.
and wet and comes out dry.
Why some of them use clean out wax?
Shit, Mr. Rice, you go in hard and dry. I come out with rice.
I know so that I'm not doing assistant.
Oh.
You must chewing gum.
Hey, take your time about this one.
Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one. And if you're new, please subscribe. Likkle Wizzies.